The first method, head over to search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. Once you're on it, we're going to click on other troubleshooters. And then you want to run this one, program compatibility troubleshooter. Click on run. And then select the app that you're having problems with. And then click on next and follow all the steps and it might fix it for you. For the second method, head over to search and type in add or remove programs. Once you're on it, find the app that you're having problems with. So there are two methods here. So for example, if I'm having problems with Microsoft Edge, click on the three dots and it will either say modify or advanced options. If it says modify, click on it, click on yes, and then you can repair it. However, for some apps like the Microsoft Store, if I click on the three dots, it will say advanced options. Click on it and then scroll down and then click on repair. And if it's still not working, click on reset. For the third method, head over to search and type in CMD, then click on run as administrator. Click on yes. Once you're on it, you can copy and paste these commands which will be in the description. So I'll start with the first one. So I'm going to just copy this, then I'm going to paste it right here, click on enter. Once you do the first one, just do all the next ones separately. This may take a while, but just do it. For the last method, we're going to head over to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. Once you're on it, just click on check for updates and do up the updates that you may have. Once you complete all these methods in the video, restart your computer and the app should be working.